Ajodhya Hill is a very nice exotic place. So hope you will enjoy the vlog. So as you can see, I left my chain and the bike is shiny. In every ride, I do wash my bike. So without any further delay, let's move on. So guys, we are waiting for our Orko. So we will be heading towards Kharagpur and we will wait for him in Kolaghat. It's like, what is the time right now? 3:30. Actually it is 3:30 PM right now. 5-6 घंटे में पहुंच जाएंगे, मिनिमम 5-6 घंटे. ঘড়ি আছে রে 3:50. This is 3:50 right now and we will be moving from Kolaghat. So let's move on. ये हालत है हाईवे का और दिस इज़ 131 किलोमीटर्स वी आर रनिंग एंड हम लोगों को अभी 190 किलोमीटर्स जाना है होटल के लिए. So we are entering Jhargram right now. बहुत सारा बाइफर्केशन है इधर उधर. And we have the forest in the other side of the highway. We have reached our destination, but we are just searching for the hotel we booked. दादा होटल माउंटेन व्यू टा कोन दिखे? माउंटेन व्यू.
So we are cleaning the visor because you can see all the bugs over in the visor. Bugs all over in my jacket also. You can see over here. So good morning guys. This is 9:10 AM right now and we had a nice sleep yesterday. And so guys, this is our room and small but yeah, is clean. Unfortunately we never got an attached bath over here, so we have our bathroom over on this side. The spots are really 20 kilometers from the hotel because this is Dashami time and we never got any hotel near this spot. So this is the parking and there are our bikes and I like this hotel. Yeah, it's fine. It's clean and well maintained. It is Hotel Hillview. We ordered a chicken sandwich, but that was not available. So this is the veg sandwich and cold drinks.
We are all set to go to Ajodhya Pahar right now, and it is like 35 kilometers from our hotel. That is our hotel. So we are all ready, and let's go. For now, we are going to straight to Tamna Mode. The place is known as Tamna Mode, and from Tamna Mode we have to take right. From there we have to go 30 kilometers to get to Ajodhya Pahar or Ajodhya Hill. गॉड फॉरबिड इधर पर कुछ ब्रेक डाउन हो गया तो लग गया वाट, बिकॉज यू विल बी हैविंग नो हेल्पिंग हैंड ओवर हियर. मैकेनिक्स तो बिल्कुल ही नहीं मिलेगा, और सिटी यहाँ से मोर देन 17 किलोमीटर्स है. सो आपको 17 किलोमीटर्स डाउन हिल ट्रैवल करना पड़ेगा मैकेनिक ढूंढने के लिए. एंड हिली टेरेंस में 17 किलोमीटर्स बहुत होता है. थर्ड गियर में तो चला ही नहीं सकूँगा क्योंकि बहुत स्टीप है. फुटेज में नहीं आएगा उतना समझ में नहीं आएगा आप लोगों को, लेकिन बहुत चढ़ाई है. एंड सेकेंड गियर में चल रहा है गाड़ी.
It is like 15 kilometers from foothills to the upper hill, and this is the upper hill where we are standing. If you are traveling to the upper dam, you must stop at this place. This is known as the upper hill, and to take your lunch. So Orko and Sonali went to take lunch. They will be taking rice. So we took some cold drinks and snacks, and after that, after they finish their lunch, we will be continuing our journey. We will be going to the upper dam right now. So waiting for Orko to come.
মুরুগুমা ড্যাম এদিকে? হ্যাঁ
So guys, this is the Muruguma Dam, and we have forest all around. The area is really very beautiful. Look at the lake. This is the lake. Awesome. It's not that crowded. उतना ज़्यादा टूरिस्ट भी नहीं है और एरिया पूरा शांत है, तो वीकेंड के लिए तो ये बहुत बढ़िया डेस्टिनेशन है. So and for now we have planned to visit Upper Dam.
this is the upper dam and it is already dark over here and मेरा GoPro का battery भी down हो गया. You can see the background. It's amazing. So let's go.
Let's go.
Shurito, how do you feel over here?
Fantastic.
It is awesome, right?
You should come here.
Yeah. So we are all set to go and it's like 9:35 a.m. Within 3 or 4 we will be reaching Kolkata. The tour was awesome. We took like 3 hours. Actually, we started our journey at 10:30 a.m. and this is 2:15 a.m. So we took 3 hours to reach Shaktigarh, which is very nice. However, we are waiting for Obi to come. Obi called us and said that he will be joining us from Shaktigarh to Kolkata. And finally, Obi arrived. Hopefully, you have seen him in my Patatu ride. So this is Sunday and we have some bikers over here on this NH2. It is very common over here.